Hanggang to lang tayo ngayon. Hanggang episode 5 din pala siya. Okay, okay. Tama lang yan, tama lang yan. Mama, bibitin kami! Gulat ka ba sa headshot? Oo, my God. Nag-uusap ng maayos yung mga tao eh. Wala pa rin akong mod. Jay, iniisip ka lang naman din namin. Jay, kailangan mag-focus ka. Sa dami-dami problema ng girl best friend mo, kailangan kinakausap mo siya.
Please, let me do the dishes. That's the least I can do. I'm crashing
Kaya
here.
yan hanggang season 4,
Crashers,
aray ko.
clean dishes.
Ubusin ka agad
Your family.
natin.
Besides, if they're not clean the right way,
BFF siguro yun
if
sila
it becomes a
nag-BFF.
big baby about it
Na-curious
all.
tuloy ako sa Game of Thrones sa ano.
I'm a pro at this point.
No, no, no. I insist.
Grab this sponge and you're gonna be eating it too. It's not a big deal. I've got it.
Hindi ko may
Nah, I know you
makalimutan. Nag-kiss sila.
I won't be here for too long. Just, I gotta get back on my feet a little.
You're right. I don't mind.
Mama,
David does.
please.
Is that it?
Maybe a little bit. No, actually, forget I said that. That wasn't for me to... Just forget it. Sorry.
He's always talking about how I'm never around. And then when I'm actually here, he acts like he doesn't know me.
It's complicated. But look, he loves you. You're his brother.
He's got an odd way of showing it.
So where do you think you'll go?
Don't know. With what happened, I'd be amazed if I could get a job assistant coaching T-ball.
You'll land on your feet.
Well, here's hoping.
Ano pala to,
Could use a
guys?
fresh start.
Kala ko ano,
Nah, I'll
di pa
probably just
pala
travel
sila
around,
nagpapalit
you know,
ng
see what's
damit.
out there.
Kala ko,
Wanna take
backstory
me
na
with you?
pala to.
Well,
Well, what about David?
what about David?
Kate,
I know. I'm just messing around.
Ay,
It's
nako.
just hard to say no to a fresh start. Always wanted to go to Norway, see the northern lights. But you'll be jet setting and I'll still
Oo
just
nga,
be
hindi
here.
niya
Oh, god damn it. Oh,
Ay!
shit,
Quick,
shit,
run
shit,
underwater.
shit. That
Ang
was
galing
David's
ng
army
bata.
glass.
Ang galing
He's gonna
niya.
be so
Sinong
pissed about it.
magaganon?
I can hear him
Kukuha
already.
ng ganon.
Oh, it's so annoying.
he should be more worried about you slicing your hand open.
He should be.
There you go. See? Much better.
What was that noise?
No!
Guys,
You're gonna be okay.
hello? My CO gave me that. And unless you want to dig up his fucking corpse, he's not gonna give me another one.
Why don't we get an actual dishwasher?
Here we go again.
Then you won't be on my ass anytime there's a spot on a fork.
Excuse me?
If we could even
Huwag tayo
afford a
magsalita,
dishwasher.
guys.
It wasn't
Away
accident.
mag-asawa to.
important.
Dapat
Really
hindi
gonna
tayo
do this in front of your
nagsasalita.
brother?
Is that what this is about?
This isn't about him.
Really? He's the one standing right there judging me for something he doesn't understand.
I'm sorry.
You don't know him like I do. Always judging everyone, except himself.
You know what? You're right. It's none of my business.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry about the glass.
Parang hindi nalikan kanina.
It was an accident.
Don't worry, I can handle him.
Babay na tayo ganyan,
He's
guys.
just in a mood.
Pero kapag meron
Trust
ulit
me,
tayo
it
kiss,
won't last.
bibilihin ulit natin yun. The best. Basta mga aliwa. Tama. Basta mga aliwa, guys. Pero kasi, bakit nila ginawang option yun? Thank you for waking me up, ah.
Hey, take it easy.
Anong nangyari?
What happened?
They got away.
Ayun, inubos
God.
ko sila.
Mariana.
Basic. Buti na lang di mo pinili yung left choice. Kaya pa daw, i-late game ni Mama. Pwede pa, pwede pa.
I already dug a grave for her.
Wow, ang sipag talaga ng Bebe Clementine
Thank you.
natin. Opo. Headshot yan. Di na magiging zombie si Mariana. Ganun. Ganun lang pala eh. Base. Kiss nga ulit. Lagay mo yung candy bar. Okay, okay.
This was my fault, Mariana. God damn it. I'm so sorry, honey.
Javi, thank you for staying. I think you probably saved my life.
I couldn't leave you alone.
That's because you're a good man.
Well, not good enough to save her.
You bought your
Kiss
people
mo
time,
din
though.
daw, Marian.
That
Dapat
counts
nga
for
i-kiss
something.
kasi syempre bebe niya yun eh. Kasi yung saya-saya niya guys eh. Asan na? Eh bakit cassette player na lang nasa akin guys? Wala akong candy bar. Yung cassette player ba iiwan natin? Yes? Wag. Wala akong candy. Wala akong ano. Yes, wala po tayo. Ay, kukunin pa yung candy bar. So, okay. Okay, feel grave na tayo. Ang bilis mo naman. Season 3 ka na. Di naman. Di naman mabilis. Sino ba nagsabi mabilis? Sino kumain ng Pudgy
I'm
bar
sorry I
ko?
never found you those candy bars.
Marami na patay sa season 2. Bakit pinagsusumbong? Bakit pinagsusumbong dyan?
You deserved so much more life.
Kalimutan na natin yung nangyari sa season 2. Ay, ang galing. Napuno niya agad yun.
You should have been the one burying me. Except someday far away.
Ano nangyari dyan? Namatay yung niece niya. Tapo, naputukan sa ulo.
You did everything you possibly...
Na-headshotan. Ng bigla. Thank you for sharing the live, Miniba. Brave Frontier na yan, diba? Hindi ko sure. Parang iba yung tinawag na lugar kanina eh. Hala, nakakasalita na siya, guys. Hala. Kausapin natin, guys. Bakit ka nagingay? Nakakainis
The other
talaga
guys
yung
had
mga
this too.
characters dito eh.
Shit.
Thank you for sharing the
What's
live,
wrong?
she.
Clem?
I've run into these guys before.
Who are they?
Nakuha ko na yung candy bar
Please.
kanina talaga.
They call themselves the New Frontier. They used to be decent people. Now they're something else.
Ang ganda talaga ni
This
Clem,
brand they
nakakainis.
have. It's
Grabe yung
like an
forma.
initiation thing. I was kind of stuck in their camp for a while. Not by choice. It was bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
What'd you do to piss them off? You do kind of have a temper sometimes.
I got out. That's all that matters.
Late ako. Kagising ko lang.
They
At
left
least
one of their
masarap
cars behind.
tulog mo,
That's something at
Jacob. Thank you for sending a rose, Rogo.
Just like
Ngayon
you
ko lang
always
nakita,
wanted.
sorry. Thank you guys for spamming the likes.
I can take you back to Prescott.
Grabe,
Make sure your
papapagod na
family's
naman
okay.
fingers nyo.
But then I'm hitting the road.
You should stay with us.
Let's just get back to Prescott.
Ayun, Prescott. Mas malaki na yung thumb ko sa kanan eh. Naka-auto-clicker te, don't worry. Ang galing. Pero ang bilis talaga nung episode 1 nito, guys. Ibang-iba sa dating season. Aray ko.
You're
Takbo
back.
yarn siya.
How's Kate? Is she...
Just came out of surgery. Eleanor's still with her. You'd best get over to the infirmary.
Hanggang 3 tayo para DB10. Sige. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin
You
sa
made it back.
oras. Pag natapos tayo dito by
She asked for you.
11:30, pwede
You know.
pa.
Please just tell me how she's doing.
Well, she came through the surgery as well as could be expected. Those bastards did her one favor at least. Any lower, and that bullet would have torn her stomach lining as well.
Shems.
Your boy Gabe. He seems really fierce. He wanted to help so badly. He practically forced me to let him stay.
That's Gabe.
But she was bleeding so much he got overwhelmed.
Shems. Thank you
So
for
when's she
sharing
gonna
the
be up on her
live,
feet again?
Aton.
She's stable. For now. But she's still bleeding inside. I don't want to lie to you. It's probably just a matter of time. I wish I could do more.
Thanks for trying. And for not sugarcoating it.
Kiss mo na.
Wish I had
Ito dapat
something
i-kiss
better to tell
natin,
you.
guys.
But
Mas maganda
I'm
to.
sorry, Javi. I'm
Thank
going
you
to
for
get cleaned
sharing
up.
the
You may
live,
want to find Gabe.
Aniel. Good evening.
He looked pretty upset when he left.
This isn't gonna make him feel any better.
Still,
I'll track him down.
How's she doing?
Not great,
Babaero ka
as
dyan.
well as can be expected.
Kailangan natin
Considering.
enjoyin, guys.
You should have come back with us. Your family, they needed
Sama
you.
na ugali.
Clementine needed my help back there.
She could take care of herself. Your family, they were the ones who needed help.
Eh, nandun ka naman para samahan
It's a hell of a
sila.
situation.
Wala rin naman ako
Just
magagawa.
know,
Hindi ko naman
I'm
kaya
praying
yung
for you.
surgery.
All of
Ay,
you.
ay, ay.
And whatever happens, you all are welcome to stick around in Prescott. If that's what you want.
Kung saan masaya.
Nobody's gonna
si
force you, but
ate.
we'd be glad to have you all here.
Not gonna make a decision like that without talking to Kate, so I'd rather check in with her when she's feeling better, you know?
Sure thing. Let the lady weigh in first.
Okay. Ay. Sino kayo dyan? Wah! Angas niya naman dyan, pare ko. Yan, may water. Lo! Nakaw yarn. Painom.
Flew in a plane just like this to a baseball game in Arkansas once. Lifetime ago.
Yabang mo naman. Share mo lang.
Hey, have you seen a kid come through here?
Blood all over his hands? Dark look on his face? Head it off that way, without saying a word.
Thank you.
If I were you,
That's gay.
I'd give him some space. Just my advice. One parent to another.
He's had a really bad
Na
day.
para bang pumulot lang ng
Can't
kung
let him go
ano.
off by himself.
Kukunin yung tubig.
Not right now.
Oo nga eh. Bakit
Sorry to hear that.
palihim pa siya kumuha
That
eh.
blood, I take it that wasn't his?
His stepmom's.
You gotta stay strong for her. Do whatever it takes. Know if my friend seen were in the same situation, I'd fight like hell. Anything we can do to help you out, just let me know.
Thank you, thank you.
I appreciate that.
Your boy stomped off towards the front gate.
Inis pa din ako. Lumabas pala. Baka meron pa tayong pwede makita guys. Wait lang ah. Di naman bumibilis. Sabi nila mabilis daw yung ano kapag nag-shift. Di naman bumibilis. My God. This controls ha. Ayun.
Gabe,
Nilabas
Gabe,
yung galit
come on.
doon.
look at me.
Bading
I don't deserve to have this. I want to go back and bury Mariana.
We buried her. It was
Peaceful.
peaceful.
How could it have been peaceful?
miss
I
her
know
too.
how much you miss her, Gabe. I miss her too.
And Kate, she needed me during her surgery. She needed my help. I just ran away like a stupid little kid.
Because you are stupid.
If I'd been there, I probably would have run too.
Hindi ka na tayo.
Especially after watching what Mariana went through.
Madudalas
blame you
tayo
for not
bigla.
being able to
Kasi
handle
nga, bata ka pa
Shouldn't
kasi.
have run.
Siyempre,
No
normal
matter how
lang
hard it
yun.
was being there. I'm done feeling this way. Feeling powerless.
Thank you for
I
following
can't be some
naman.
helpless little boy anymore. I need to be a man. Just like my dad was. He knew how men were supposed to act.
You're already a man, Gabe.
Yes!
But at least I know it now.
You're
Next
already a
time,
man. Pero
I'm not
medyo
gonna
sad
sit
boy
back
nga
and
lang.
I'm gonna do something.
Buti wala
I
na
have to.
choices.
Listen,
Pero
Gabe,
mas matino pa si Doc. Totoo ba? Kailangan talaga every season may annoying no?
shit.
Get inside now.
Asan na si Clementine? Guys, hindi sumama, no? Kahit sinabi kong you should stay with us. Every season may liability
to
pa.
leave.
True.
Make sure Kate's ready.
You can count on me.
We! Totoo ba? Ayan na nga si Clem. Grabe, o
Thought you
kasama
kicked
siya.
her ass out.
Dapat hindi nagpakita tong lalaki hindi.
Knock. Anyone home?
Dapat hindi nagpakita si Javier eh.
Shit. He was one of the men at the junkyard. These are those freaks that brand themselves.
I wish we hadn't had to come all the way out here, but unfortunately, Badger here says you attacked his man. He says you fired on him. Took out a lot of our people.
They shot first. They killed my niece. Shot a woman in cold blood.
How many of my friends died because of you, huh?
Sounds like a bunch of he said, she said shit to me.
Well, what the fuck do you want? An apology?
What I really want is for my dead buddies to be alive again. But I don't think that's too likely, is it?
He needs to come with us. Answer to
Ang pangit
justice.
talaga.
Accept his punishment.
Ang pangit na itsura niya, guys.
Men have gotta have laws. Otherwise, we're no better than the animals.
Let's just talk this through. It ain't so simple.
Fact of the matter is, you stole from us. You killed some of us. Give it up now and get down here.
I think they need a little incentive.
Oh, buhay ulit siya, guys. Oh!
Francine!
Bakit
You
ka
heard
lang?
her?
Oh, no!
I'll kill you!
Whoa! You didn't tell me you had a hostage.
Ah,
Okay,
season
baby.
2 pa
I
lang
love you,
to.
baby.
Ay, season 2. Episode 2 to ng season 3.
they want.
There's no reason this has to get ugly. But we ain't leaving without what we came for.
You hurt her, and I'll hurt you back worse than you could ever imagine.
Big words. The words are just that.
No, don't do it!
Francine! Oh my
Now
God!
get your ass
Oh my
down
God,
here, or I cut
please.
off the rest of them.
What the hell are you doing?
Javi, please, man. Just go with him.
Bakit naman?
Kill
Ay.
Francine.
Nobody's giving in to them.
We should start shooting.
Ay.
No fucking way. He'll kill Francine.
He might kill her anyway, Conrad. We gotta risk it.
No, no way. We do not open fire while she's down there.
Yan! Nice one! No!
Francine!
Guys, sabi ni Clementine, dapat mag-shoot na daw sila. Galing. Ba't na-open nila yun? Oh no, yung wall! Ang ingay pa nun.
Oh, what the fuck? We don't have the go-ahead.
No, fuck you. Fuck the go-ahead. Ram the fucking gate.
Jesus Christ.
Patayin mo yung nasa ano, yung nag-drive. Wala na. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. Ay.
Fucking tear gas! I have to find Kate.
This is ano, episode 2 ng season
Oh,
2.
man! I'll hold these assholes off!
No, parang babay na rin ate. Anong babay na din? Yung kotse natin. Galing niya naman, headshot lang
There's enough room for her. Javi!
Head east. We'll catch up.
Nasaan si Clementine, guys? What? Akala ko, tapos na yung episode 2 nun eh. Yun. Okay, perfect. Nice. Grabe. Ayun, nakasama na si Clementine doon sa isa. And intro pa lang yun? Ganun kahaba? Intro pa lang? Ang ano ko lang, bakit walang laban mga tao, diba? True! Alam mo yan, tagal na nila dun sa ano. Buti pa si Clementine, ang daming ano. Ang laki ng bitaw. Pag ako nag-comment, hindi nakikita na nangyayari. Bakit ka nagdadrama, Jay? Like, pwede nila matakasan ng mga zombie. True.
Are they following us?
Just the other car. Looks like we're okay.
Parehas tayo. Kanina pa ako comment. Bakit? Sorry guys, focus dun sa
Eleanor.
story eh. Kaya hindi ko
God.
nakita.
I can't believe it. All of our friends, all
Ay,
those people.
Ri, nakita ko yung comment mo kanina. Sinagot kita sa worst Clem.
Oh, Conrad.
She deserved better. They all deserve better.
You
Di
barely
sila
knew
siguro
her.
experienced to
What the
fight.
hell do
Parang
you
si
care?
Sarah, no?
You're the one who opened fire. She's dead because of you.
Conrad, easy, buddy. This wasn't his
He
fault.
pulls or
Bullshit.
apart.
Francine, Prescott, all because this washed up cheat walked through our gates. I should have known it the second I looked at you. You ain't gonna stand up for nobody but your own.
We just lost someone too. So, say what you have to say.
What?
Inubos
That's
ng
supposed to
girl
make me
best
feel
friend
better?
ko
Calm
energy
down,
ko. Tingnan
Conrad.
mo.
Please.
Kaya
All I
nga,
know is,
talaga.
if it wasn't for him,
Kailangan mo yung energy na yun. Kailangan mo
Back the
bumili na
fuck
ng
off
food
now.
kaysa yung nagdadrama ka dyan, Jay. Lo, trip na to.
Just back
Ano
away.
kasi, Nick?
take it easy, son.
Gabe, no, this isn't necessary.
What are you talking about? Yes, it is. I told you.
I
Ano
get
I
that you're
told
trying
you?
to help, but this isn't how you do it.
Just do it already.
Sarap
don't even
i-block
care
ka.
anymore.
So, kilala.
Just
Girl,
put it
best friend
down,
mo yun.
Gabe.
Ba't mo i-block?
Come on, kid.
You kill an unarmed man, you'll regret it for the rest of your life.
True.
You hear me?
Don't touch my uncle
Parang si
again.
Ben eh. Lo,
Fuck me.
tapang yan.
Let him go. He just needs to cool off.
Si Clementine ba yun? Kasalanan mo to, te. Anong kasalanan ko? Hindi ko kasalanan to. Te, nakakainis yun si Gabe. Parang lahat naman ata tayo naiinis sa kanya. Pero iba pa rin talaga yung inis ko kay Doc.
You have to bury her.
I wish we could, but Prescott's overrun.
Pero
we can't go
nakakamiss
back.
din talaga
Well,
si
we're not
Doc.
safe here
Sana
either.
lumabas
What
ulit
about
si
Richmond?
Doc.
I've heard there's a community there.
Namiss
If it's
ko
true,
nung
they'll have
pagtripan
food,
siya,
walls,
guys.
maybe even a hospital.
All I want is to find the motherfuckers who did this. They took my home. They took my...
Aww.
God damn it!
The one thing we all need is a place to call home. Maybe Richmond can be that place.
Abot hanggang
Richmond.
live
Huh.
ko
It's something
galit.
at least.
Galit mo kay Doc, true.
Fuck it. Let's go.
That's a spirit, man.
Pagtripan mo yan si Gabe. Hindi ko pa mapagtripan masyado, guys, eh. Lagi kasing sad boy lang sa tabi. Uy!
Huh.
Ano to, ha?
Maybe they'll hit it off.
Ano to, ha? He's
I don't know if
not
it's healthy
ready.
for
I remember being that age. You need someone else to talk
Ba't
to that
naglalag
understands what
ako?
you're going through.
Bakit?
Come on, guys.
Bakit 3?
We got a long drive ahead of us.
Di magiging sila, wag o. Malay nyo, mamaya sila ng dalawa yung Si Doc ba yung sa season 1? Yes po, si Doc po yun. Yung maingay
What can I do
nun.
for you here?
Basta may option notice yun
I
lagi.
feel like I'm burning up.
Guys, alam nyo kaya dapat natin ipili yon. Kasi sayang naman na nilagay nila yung option na yun, di ba? Siyempre, karamihan ng mga tao hindi pipiliin yon. So, dapat, piliin
There
natin.
you go.
Galit ka kay Doc, ate. Hindi, na-miss ko lang siya pag-tripan talaga. Pero alam mo yun, umpisa pa lang nung
Thirsty
ano
isn't
kasi,
good.
nung laro.
How's her forehead feel?
Hindi ko na siya sinesave.
Hot. Hot.
Ayaw pumila ni Gabe. Ang dami niya na ba
Probably
nakapila,
sepsis.
Lloyd?
Sooner we get to
Di
Richmond,
nakita comment ko. Aray ko, nahawa ka na ata, Jay, sa girl best friend mo.
It really hurts.
Hey, you're gonna be fine, Kate.
Nadig pa may
I'm
reglas
just
sa mood.
trying to
Ang
be
asang si
realistic.
Clem. Tapos may kasama isip
I'm
bata.
trying to be
True.
optimistic.
Mas mature pa si Clem kaysa kay Doc na. True! Sabi nga nila nga, guys.
We both know what's
Late
coming.
nga nagmamature ang guys.
Kate.
We do. And this is
Alo,
gonna sound
gusto
fucked
niya
up,
si
but
Kate.
maybe this is my chance.
Gusto
for
niya ay si Kate.
Christ. I don't know. A graceful exit. Not many
Madami
people
nakapila
get
ako
those.
nasa unahan.
I'd be
What
one of
about
the lucky
Kate?
ones.
Anyari kay Kate,
Kate might hear you.
He's
nagpaka-hero
gonna have
kasi
to
siya,
deal with this
guys.
Sooner or later.
Akala niya hindi siya matatamaan ng ligaw na
Just
balak
think
kapag
about all
tumakbo
that's
na lang siya bigla doon sa gitna ng
Mariana
daan.
died. I couldn't stop it.
Eh, hindi naman siya bida, kaya natamaan siya ng
Okay.
bala.
I heard what happened when we stopped.
Madali pala
Isn't
ni
it
si Kate.
obvious?
Parang siya si Bonnie, guys.
Look, he might be turning into David. He might be turning into you. He's not that sweet little boy I first met.
Gabe is doing just fine, Kate. You know what he told me? That he wants to be a man. Wants to step up. You'll see. He's gonna be stronger than
Para
both of
kasi
us.
kay Gabe, guys,
Maybe.
yung pagiging
I don't know.
man
All I
is
care about
yung
is him
pagiging
becoming
tough,
who he needs to be.
pagiging
And it's gonna be on
yung
you to make sure
violence
that
katulad ng
happens.
tatay niya, which is wrong.
No. It's on him.
Thank you for following,
He's not gonna take my
Dachi.
advice anymore.
That doesn't mean he doesn't need you.
Sana ko si Kenny yung nakilala ni
careful.
di ba? Kung si Kenny yung
Sorry.
tatay ni Gabe, okay siya.
You should get some rest, Kate.
Kaso alam niyo
We
ba,
also-
guys, nung nag-isip ako ng isang
With
araw,
pleasure.
nung netong weekend, bigla ko naisip, kaya
just
pala
love
siguro
pretending the rest of us
grabe
came
yung
here.
temper ni Kenny.
I wouldn't
Grabe
know.
yung galit niya lagi pag bigla siya nagsiswitch. Kasi anak niya si Doc. Siguro kaya ganun siya. Makes sense, di ba? Kung anak mo si Doc, talagang magagalit ka na lang bigla-bigla. What if nahamutan mo si Krista, si Lily, parehas may attitude, magka-clash siguro yung dalawa yun. True! Paano kaya pag pinagsama-sama nila yun, no? Lahat. Si Carver, si Lily, si Krista, si Kenny, sa isang room. Tapos si Larry pa! Oh. Sino kaya mabubuhay sa kanila? To be a
Great.
man, need ng
What
matinding
now?
patient and
I've got some bad
understanding.
news.
True. What's
So
going
what's going on?
Ngayon lang na-realize.
We got
Oo,
a bunch
ngayon
of
lang.
cars clogging the underpass.
Ikaw
We
na
need to drive
nakaisip
through.
niyan, ma.
We're gonna need to move some of them out of the way.
Kasi ang dami kong time para
I'm coming too.
mag-isip.
I'll
Invisible
stay with
ba
Kate and keep a
comment ko?
lookout.
Ang
Yeah,
drama
what else
mo,
if
Jay.
anything
Kanina
happens?
ko pa nakikita yung comment
Awfully
mo.
convenient the pass is blocked like this.
Not
Gracious
convenient at all,
battle,
if
yeah.
you ask me.
Thank you for following a girl.
If we move that car right there, we should be good. Come on. Let's get to work and clear it out.
Kain lang ikaw. Buti meron ka na naka-ready pagkain, Jay. Yan, thank you. Thank you sa help, Bridge.
Nope.
Okay, sorry. Ah, flat. Kausapin muna natin
How we
siya.
doing?
Eto. Gwapo pa
Conrad doesn't
din.
look too good over there.
Tell me about it.
He's a good man, Javi. Known him a long time. This is just a dark day for him.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on him for me, alright?
Okay. No problem. Grabe no guys, yung kakaiba din sa season na to, wala ka masyadong options kapag kinakausap mo yung mga NPC, like kapag ganitong scene. Diba maraming kamusta pa yun. Talk to.
How's Kate doing?
She's holding on. We're almost there.
Let me know if anything changes.
I will.
Okay, thank you. Look in. 361 na te. Oo nga
I shouldn't
eh.
disturb her.
Tumataas siya na
She's
tumataas, guys. Thank you so much. Usapin natin siya.
You good?
Anong sipain yan?
Nah, man. I'm not good.
I know.
Let's just get this
Lapit
shit
na
over
pala
with
ito.
and get to Richmond.
Wala pa tayo makakuwang pagkain dyan. Nagugutom na ako, guys.
Those might come in handy.
Oh, nice. Sino to? Ah, si Gabe.
Saw you and Clementine talking
Mangatang
back
ako
there.
ngayon ba? Gusto
So,
ko bakbakan. Balik ako mamaya. Laro ako
We were just
saglit.
talking.
Bigla akong inantok
She
sa sobrang
seems pretty
daming
cool.
usapan. True,
Uh-huh.
true. Maglalaro ka muna, Cod M. Good luck. Pero mamaya na pala. Bago isip yarn. Naka-chocomalos ako.
What's up?
Naka-may chocomalos
It's
dyan.
complicated.
Sana all. Ako, kukunin ko ay stick ko.
I had
Wait
a
lang.
friend. He had a wife, a son.
Nasa exciting
He was
na
really
ata. Hindi
protective.
ko lang sure.
Having people is nice. But it
Boom.
always ends up hurting in the end.
Kanina ka pa boom ng boom.
Never think otherwise.
Thank you for following, Socrates. Give us some knowledge. Charot! Pwede ba natin kausapin ulit? O, diba? Hindi pwede, guys. Favorite word mo yung boom? Sobrang random naman nun. Sino na bida dyan? Hindi na si Clem. Si Javi na po. Ito po siya. Pa-apply po. So, saan ko siya gagamitin, guys? Try ko. Hindi naman ako pwede umakyat. Garahe. Okay. Kaya pala nagbagong scene dito. Grabe yung memory mo talaga, no? Yellow. Talaga naalala mo pa. Oh. Hindi naman makapasok dun. Ito, nakita na natin. Hindi ko nasimulan araw ko. Paano mo? Huy! niya. Ay, wow, may wrench pa siya. Nilaro ko na eh. Wow, nag-review ka pa pala, Yellow. Ang lupit mo naman talaga.
I need to
Oh,
power it
nice.
somehow. Pop the hood.
Nagulat ka? Ako
You should
din
better
eh.
not mess up my baby here.
Mag-episode 3 ka ate. Depende kung ano oras to matapos. Kung 11:30 to matapos, parang hindi ko na kaya.
Now I can pull out the cable.
Ito ba dapat? Hindi. Di talaga marunong sa kotse eh. Ah, ito. Lapit na yung graduation ko, ma. Sa May 12 na.
Hopefully that'll hold.
Congrats, Yoshi! Magka-college
Here
ka
goes
na! Grabe! Ready ka na ba? Gusto mo ba mag-college?
There we go.
Yes, medyo nakalimutan ko
set.
na din kasi last laro ko dyan.
We good?
Tagal na.
Be ready to
Talagang
move
yung
once the wreck is clear.
matatandaan mo talaga
We
yung
should be
season
right
1
behind
and
you.
season 2 eh,
Will
no?
do.
Isa kang alamat. Huwag na
Get the
mag-aral,
walkers!
ma. Pero mas masaya mag-aral. It's coming grade 12 pa lang, Ems. Grabe ang babata nyo, guys. Sana all na lang talaga. Grabe, lapit nyo. I love this. Hindi ko kailangan mag-aim.
Eleanor, now! Go, go, go! Just drive! Get her to Richmond!
Kaway sa mga college dito. Ay, wow, Lee! College ka pa lang pala?
Let's go!
Meron pa ba senior high? Kala ko abolish na. Bawal mga-abolish yung senior high! Bawal yun. Hindi ako papayag. Hindi pwede yun.
Thanks. Shit! The van!
Hindi pa siya natitis. Oo nga! Makagaran tayo ng record. Kasi iba yung controls dito eh.
Move! Go!
May grade 12, ABM kinuha kong strand. Masaya, di ba? Meron pa... Nahiya ako grade 10. Grade 10 ka pa lang, Jay! Tapos problema niya na yung ano. Ang dami na problema nung ano mo, nung girl best friend mo. Hala, ang daming zombie, guys! Oh no! No! Ang galing ah. Lupit ah. Kala ko wala na siyang bala kanina. Shems, ang dami niyang dugo sa mukha. Paano siya nagkaroon ng dugo sa mukha? Akit na! Ako din, second batch nang nakaranas ng senior high. Same! Magka-batch pala tayo, Batman. Pabam 1 and 2, madali lang eh. Pabam. Pabam.
God damn it!
Ano
I
yung
knew this
pabam?
place didn't feel right.
Fundamentals
What the hell
of
are we gonna do now?
Chuchu.
We have to come up with some kind of plan.
Oh, what a great idea. A plan.
Wait.
Who would have thought of that?
Kasama mo pa si
Wait it out.
AJ, ate.
Wait till
Hindi.
this thing
Hindi ko
gave
nga
up.
alam kung ano nangyari
could
kay
take
AJ.
days.
Jay,
We'll be dead
asan
by
ka
then.
na ba, Jay?
Great. This is just
Hindi
fucking
ko alam
great.
na
What the
may
hell are we gonna do?
generation reveal
Calm
pala
down.
dito.
Calm down? I'm not
May
gonna
anak
fucking
na ako
calm
nung
down.
nilabas
Eleanor's
yung
out there
game na
alone
to.
right now.
You wouldn't have been in this
Wow!
mess if it wasn't for you.
That's not true.
Baka makita mo si
Fuck you,
Sus-
Conrad.
Whoa,
Aray
stop!
ko.
There's somebody over there.
What?
Last na batch na
Where?
kami na senior high.
Shit.
Uy,
Everybody
Yoshi,
get down.
hindi yan totoo. Bawal magkaroon ng ano,
was this all a
abolishment ng senior high.
Keep your heads down. Guy could have a rifle. I don't know about the rest of you, but I'd like to keep my skull intact.
Whoever you are out there, we don't want any trouble, okay?
of accountancy, business, and management.
What the hell?
For me talaga,
He's
pinakamadali talaga ABM.
Everyone stay here.
Ewan ko,
and
for
keep
me
behind
lang.
cover.
Kasi ayoko
I'm
ng
gonna see what I can
science,
find
ayoko ng
Be careful.
explain. Kawawa kaming grade 10, awa na lang. Oo nga, medyo kawawa talaga yung next generation kasi nga hindi nila alam, yung parang lalo na doon sa mga hindi pa decided, 'di ba? Karamihan naman kasi hindi pa decided sa kanilang course, 'di ba? Kaya nakakatulong din yung senior high para sa time. Yung kailangan naman kasi magbago dito yung ano eh, yung employmentability. Employmentability! Yung ano, yung standards nila sa ano, employment. Dapat pwedeng mag-apply yung mga senior high lang natapos. Naiiyak na ako sa EBM, pero go pa rin. Tama yan, i-go mo lang yan. Matatapos din yan in the end. Yung sa EBM, yung accounting course, yung grabe. True! Business management, kayang-kaya yan. Pag nawala, SHS, diretso ako, BSIT.
I'm gonna need you to turn around for me. Slowly.
BSIT, tapos ano, isasagot ko dun,
Hear
parts
me?
of the computer. Oh no! Thank you for following BMW M5. Oh! Oh no, hindi siya tao. Okay.
That thing's not a toy.
I know,
Drop
I know.
it, or you might hurt yourself. Now then,
Ito
I'm not
pala
gonna
si
shoot.
Jesus.
Not unless you make me.
Nakakainis.
I just want to talk. You got me? Just want to have a word.
Look, I don't want any trouble here, okay?
Just answer my questions, and you have my word, you'll be fine.
Okay, okay.
You, the two guys there, the kids, the women in the car.
Ano
I saw you
nangyayari?
split up.
May
I
ibang
overheard
tao.
that little argument just now. Your friends over there aren't gonna shoot me, right?
They won't, they won't.
You folks have your shit together? If you're some kind of broken tribe, then let me know now.
They're good people. They've lost a lot.
Sure. We all have.
Jesus, happy love team.
Recently. Ah,
Thank you
fresh
for
wounds.
following.
That makes sense.
XXXXXX.
You're going to Richmond.
Si Lee
That
nasa
tells me
chat,
you got
yes.
something to do with
Si
what's
Lee
going on
nasa
down
senior high
there.
pa lang, guys.
Question is, whose side are you on?
Look, man, I don't know what you're...
Uy, wait lang. Nagbabahinga yung kamay natin eh. College ka na. Okay. Tapos ka na pala sa senior high.
Don't move.
Eh. Anong suot-suot nito? Ang init. Nainitin ako sa kanya, pati buhok niya. Nasa pawn shop ka po ba? Naiwan siya sa pawn shop,
you see
guys.
one of
Si
them?
Larry at Chuck andyan din.
Hey, man, what do you mean
True.
by them? Who's them?
You know what I'm talking about. The New Frontier.
What? No, I'm not with those guys. You got this backwards.
Avi, this guy's full of donkey shit.
Do you want to let me talk?
What's the point? How can we trust anything
Check
you
for
say?
the brand.
I don't think he's with those guys.
Look, I'm telling you. I'm on my way to Richmond, just like you. I lost touch with some good
Pangit
people there
ng
when the New
suot
Frontier
niya,
took over.
guys.
What did you say?
The New Frontier? They took over Richmond? Don't tell me you didn't know that.
Oh no.
Fuck.
Okay, I will
God.
trust him.
Eleanor and Kate. They're headed right to the middle of those assholes.
At least now we got an excuse to go after those motherfuckers.
What are we gonna do?
We need to go. Now.
No fucking shit we need to go.
You're the one who's been skulking around. You got any ideas?
There's an old train tunnel that runs under the James River. From what I hear, it should be a straight shot into Richmond.
A train tunnel.
I could lead you guys there. But
Nababaliw
since
na si Clementine,
Hobby
guys.
here said you're good people and all, maybe you could lower those guns first.
Lower than my
Halos
ass.
lahat ng
We're gonna
tao
tie
sa
you
USA
up and make sure your story checks
nakaupo.
out.
Ang init nga
That's
eh.
really not necessary.
Trust him.
I don't know.
Lower your guns.
Avi, man, don't.
Do you trust me or not?
Thank you. Ready?
Pero
This way.
wala akong tiwala sa buhok at damit mo.
What do we call you?
Ay, init!
Sorry, forgot to introduce myself.
Ang
It's
init!
Paul, but my friends call me Jesus.
Jesus, Nabi loved him. Kaya pala yung nickname niya sa buhok at balbas. Ang daming backstory. Puro kwento tayo this time, guys. Kain, adobo, ulam. Hala, ang sarap! Ang sarap naman.
here.
Para ako nagutom ulit. Thank you for following JRD
It's gonna
Pen.
be okay.
Oo. Batak na batak talaga si Clem gumawa nun eh, no?
Oh, come on.
Huwag kang iiyak, AJ, please.
AJ, it's all
Ask ko
right.
lang. Hindi niya kamukha
I'm
eh.
hungry.
Hindi kamukha ni Carver si AJ eh. Ang ganda ni Clem, guys! Kakatapos lang sa baboy pork chop kaya adobong manok na mamantika. Wow! Ang taba ni AJ. Buti pa si AJ, no? Ang daming
Find you some
ilusog-lusog.
dinner. Hopefully find us some
Kamukha niya
dinner.
si Alvin Debate. Yes, kamukha niya.
Hey, I can hear you in there. Let me in, please. God, there's so many. Please, don't leave me out here.
Oh, shit. Hey there.
Hello.
Hey.
Pretty big group of them out there. But it'll pass. Eventually.
Are you hurt? Any bites?
No, no bites. Shit!
Sana mag...
God damn it! Well,
Ganda
I'd say we
niya.
make a pretty good team.
Ang cute ni AJ!
The two of us. Well, the three of us, I mean.
Thanks, I guess.
No problem, kiddo. Anytime you need an oversized doorstop, you know who to call. He's a cute kid. You guys living here? You seem kind of young to be a mom. What are you, 13? Damn, you're a child yourself.
I knew his parents.
Ang
they're gone
cute
now.
nga eh.
I'm all he has.
Then he's cute and lucky. He has someone looking after him. Not much of that anymore. We were out there scouting. Nothing out of the ordinary, and then... chaos in... shit, less than a minute. Those bastards are slow, but god damn it when there's enough of them. I got separated from the others.
Nakatingin lang ako kay AJ,
I hope
guys.
they
Eh,
all
ang
made
cute eh.
Thought we were ready for anything. But they were all around us before we saw them.
What were you scouting for?
Gas, water, any supplies we could find, really. Sure as hell wasn't worth it.
Season 2, best season for
My
me.
people are
So
probably
far,
at the
season
rendezvous
2
by
is
now.
the best din talaga.
What's left of them, at least.
Kilala ko na siya.
By the way,
Kababata mo ba to,
Omega,
Yoshi?
in my group, we call ourselves
Kanina
New
bang
Frontier.
anak yan si... Oh. Kanina bang anak yan si AJ?
He's hungry.
Kaila Alvin, tsaka kay
Why don't you come
Rebecca.
with me? Meet my people.
Omid.
We have food,
Ano Omid?
blankets, bottled water. Come on.
Sounds
Dinner's on me.
great.
That sounds good. Sounds great, actually.
Once the herd is gone, my people will find us.
Familiar yung New Frontier. Meron din ba yan sa TWD? Ba't inaccept mo ma? Inaccept natin kasi part siya ng story. Andun siya sa story eh. Sabi niya doon sa story, di ba, na pumunta siya sa New Frontier.
Here's hoping.
Tapos gutom na din si AJ, kailangan niya ng pagkain. Ganon lang. Wish ko is maging loud team si Carl tapos Clementine. Carl!
Look, I appreciate you keeping quiet about me and the New Frontier. But what I told you earlier, it's not the whole truth. I wasn't their prisoner.
Ay, hindi ko matandaan kung sino si Carl.
I was one of them.
Ooh!
I should have told you sooner. I really should have.
You were with those monsters?
They're not all like that.
Anak yun ni Rick.
I'm not asking
Okay,
you to
okay.
forgive
Natatandaan
me.
ko siya. Okay,
But you
nice.
have to
Oo
understand.
nga, pwede.
I had nobody. And
Malapit
they
na
had
pala
food,
tayo sa exciting
supplies.
part.
I was all alone.
Yung
Javi.
matulog?
You don't know what that's like. It was a mistake.
Tell me you're not still one of them.
No way. Believe me. I just had to explain,
Max, your
because
graphics
if they're
hindi
really in
po.
control in Richmond, I can't let them see me. I just can't. So when we reach the other side of this tunnel, I'm leaving.
Y'all planning on joining us?
Ba't di pa kaya gawan yan ng new story? True! Maganda naman siyang laro. And ang dami naglaro nito. Dapat talaga ituloy nila. Wala na kasi yung Telltale games, no guys?
They're everywhere! Fuck! They are.
Tama
Keep
ba yung
sharp.
sumigaw ka, boy?
Watch out! Javi, help!
Wala na nga eh, bumagsak ng Telltale eh. Oh no! 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 Okay! First one!
You all hear that? Coming from over there. Can you see anything?
Pailan na yan. Wala na yung undefeated. True. Sayang naman. Hindi ko na kasi makita.
Fuck! They are.
Kung ano yung
Keep sharp.
pipindutin dapat. Ba yan eh. Mali nila guys. Mali nila.
Watch out!
Hello! Nawala naman. Hindi ko naman...
Javi, help!
Bilis masyado kasi. Kala ko pa naman, eto na yung season ko, guys. Eh!
Take him out.
Thanks.
Oh! Hems, bakit ka nagbaril?
Christ almighty, Conrad. Now every walker in the fucking county is gonna be heading this way.
Come on, follow me.
Tinalunan lang eh.
What the fuck? No one ever mentioned a train in the way.
You better find a way around it, or we're fucking dinner.
Maybe we can just go through.
Well, does it open?
I got it. Come on.
Daylight's ahead. Thank fucking God. Let's go.
We can't have those walkers following us. Javi and I will block the door. You guys go ahead and make sure it's clear.
Make it fast. We'll be right ahead of you.
Okay. Lagi na lang talaga ikaw yung gumagawa ng lahat, Clementine. Hindi na ako ikaw, pero ikaw pa rin gumagawa.
Ah, shit! I'm gonna have to break this thing off.
Hurry, they're almost here. Javi! I can't. There's too many. Help!
Eh.
Wedge that through now. Let's go. We gotta...
What?
I wouldn't touch that gun, girl. You either, cowboy.
What the hell are you doing?
I heard you too. You think I'm stupid? Finish your little story. Now.
Ngayon
We-
pa talaga.
We need to keep moving.
No, you need to talk.
Put the gun down, Conrad.
Not until she rolls up her sleeve.
What? Why?
I fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is. What other
Mashuta.
bullshit did you shove down our throats, huh?
She has a right to her secrets like you have a right to yours.
Secrets isn't the point. You're missing the bigger picture, son.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang ah.
Don't you see?
Bakit nawala? Yan!
We bring
Perfect,
her to
yan.
Richmond. They'll give us whatever we want. Medical help for Kate. She's our bargaining chip.
Bilis
They
eh.
won't bargain with you. You don't know them.
Pati expression ng mukha. Grabe pindot
She's
sa
not a
keyboard,
bargaining chip.
sorry.
She's a friend.
How's that for an answer?
Go to hell, Conrad. I'm not doing this. If you want to shoot me, shoot me.
How about I shoot your little boyfriend here instead? Then don't
Javi,
let her walk
this
through
guy's
that door.
crazy. Shoot
Nobody
him.
has to shoot anybody. Just tell Clem this is how it's gotta be. And then we all step into the sunshine. Come on, man, be reasonable. This helps both of us.
I'm just gonna go.
Holy shit.
Dapat,
Oh my god.
nandun tayo kay Clementine lagi.
You two should go.
What about you?
I'll find my own way.
La! Tapos iiwanan tayo ni Clementine, guys! Ano yun?
He's dead. God. It just happened so fast.
Ah, okay. Isa-sold out pa. Okay, gets, yeah.
I'm sorry this had to happen. I really am.
Lahat na lang, Gabe!
Let's go.
Iiyakan mo. No, mali. Mali ba yun? Eh kasi, bakit naman kailangan i-threaten niya pa, di ba? We're working as a
Where's
team.
Conrad? Did he not make it out?
I have no idea.
Well, I thought he was with you guys.
Well, he's not.
I mean, we can't go back.
Shit! Fuck!
Try to stay quiet.
Jesus fucking Christ. Damn it, Conrad.
And the girl, where is she? Or should we assume the worst?
She took
She-
off.
Ran off.
I just don't know what the hell is going on anymore. God, what a shit show.
Decision.
This isn't what any of us
Decision
wanted.
yun, guys. Okay lang yan.
But right now, we need to find Kate and Eleanor.
Naubos yung mga kaibigan ni Trip.
You're right.
Si ano na
I
lang
just
yung
wish-
natira. Si Eleanor. Bebe niya ba si Eleanor? Anong wish mo? Hindi mo man lang
The gates
sinabi
are this
sa
way.
akin yung wish
If
mo.
your people are here, that's where they would have ended up.
Why is it so quiet? Thought there'd be New Frontier
Kasama
marching
na
in the
sila ni
streets and shit.
Francine.
Practicing on
Hindi.
walkers or
Ah, si Francine
whatever
tsaka
the
si
fuck they
ano.
do.
Oh,
Si
maybe they're all on
Francine
a
tsaka
lunch
si...
break.
don't
yung
like
lalaki,
this.
yeah.
I don't like
yeah,
any of it.
yeah. Sukan ba naman nephew eh? Oo. Tama. Hindi mo alam kung anong pwedeng gawin ni Conrad. Kaya dapat unahan mo na. Ikaw naman yung bida sa larong to.
Ah, fuck. Did they see us?
I don't think so.
Can you see anything, Javi? What are they doing?
Wala. Naglalakad.
That's their car.
Hey, keep it down. Kate? Kate, can you hear me?
Tutulog siya, B.
Kate, talk to me. Say something.
Tutulog siya, B.
Yes.
could really use something to take the edge off right about now.
Dito ako mag-agree
Very
madad
funny.
sila.
I've
Mali
been
pala
saving
yun.
it
Ako
for
din
a
sinad
while.
ko eh. Oo nga eh. Huwag mo kalimutan choices mo, te. Especially nung pinatay mo si Conrad. Okay, don't worry. Pero nagpapatay mali siya ako eh.
Are you okay?
Come here.
Depende sa choices. Oh, okay.
Where's Eleanor?
She went ahead to get help. She hasn't come back.
Hindi ko alam bakit iniwan tayo kasi
Must
ni
have got
ano
her.
eh.
Jesus, how far is it
Ni
to their compound?
Clementine.
Not too much
siguro
farther now, a couple
magsisneak
blocks
in na
at
naman
most.
yung babaeng yun.
Gabe, help me lift her up.
Sa season 3, napaka-reckless ko kasi hindi si Clementine yung kinokontrol. True!
I'm thinking we walk up to their front door and pray for the best.
All right, fine.
Here we go.
Episode 3, ano tara? Wala, di carry.
There it
Yun,
is.
sana.
New ritual.
Tomorrow naman tayo magla-live ulit eh.
I'm gonna get you inside, okay?
Lovey?
Yes, tomorrow.
If they can save me,
Same time,
How
I
about you
think
and
it's
me finally
either
take
9
that
or
trip to
10.
Norway?
Pagda-decide tayo ng ano,
The
ng
Northern
lunchtime.
remember? Sky lit up all green and purple.
What would you say to somewhere warmer? I hear Bora Bora is great this time of year.
Ano oras pala yung start ng stream? Akala ko 11 p.m. start.
Jesus, there's a
OMG,
solid possibility
hindi.
this isn't gonna go our way.
Nag-start ba
If
ako
you
na
wanna stay
11
behind,
p.m.? Parang
I wouldn't
never
blame
pa
you.
ako nag-11
Hey,
p.m. 9
This is
or
where I was
10.
going in the first place.
Or 8. 9 p.m. please. 9.
Hey!
9 or 10. Ayun, 10:30 daw ako
You
nag-start. How much per
You must
episode
have
po?
some kind of death
I'm not sure
wish.
kung
She
how
needs
much
medical
per
help.
episode.
And you have one of our
Kasi
people.
bundle ko siya binili.
What's your point?
Mag-10 kanina.
After what you did to our people?
Hindi, 9 ako nag-start kanina.
I'm not inclined to help any of you.
I am begging you, please help us. If we don't get her to a hospital,
Focus.
she'll die.
Pinapa-focus tayo ni
And I
Lee.
guess she's gonna die.
It was your men that shot her. Your bullets. You owe it to us to help now.
We don't owe you shit.
True.
It's got nothing to do with me. Your people, your problems.
She dies, I'm holding you personally responsible.
Okay.
Just because you say something doesn't make it so.
Please! Kate's dying!
Magkano
She
bundle?
needs help!
Antayin mo yung ano, yung mga sale
It's
ng
not like I
Steam
don't
kasi
have a
nakuha ko
heart,
lang to
okay?
for
But
140
your people
pesos.
started this whole fucking thing
Ewan
in the
for
first
to
place.
kung bibili
Let's
mo
not
buong
forget what you did
bundle.
at Prescott. What you did to our home.
Prescott, right. That whole situation was a damn mess. It happened. It's over. Nothing I can do about it now.
Please, I am begging you, just let us in.
Now, all of you, lower your weapons.
Might be a good idea to play along here, at least for now.
You
Wala
put
nang
him
time
down,
gagawin.
I'll see that as an expression of good faith. Nice and easy.
Everybody, put him down. Trip, please.
You're the boss.
Grabe no guys. Si Trip yung leader nila, tapos biglang naging ako
Hands
yung
behind
leader.
your
Tama
heads,
ba yun?
all of you.
We let him do this. It's over. We can't give him another inch.
For Kate, okay?
Now, get on your knees.
If he was gonna kill us, I think he'd have done it by now.
Do you hear me?
Ang
I
cute.
said knees.
I love the logic ah.
Guess you were serious about this after all.
Kasi nasa sa'yo yung responsibility. True! Ang daya ni Trip.
What the hell's going on out here?
They said they weren't here to hurt anybody, so I was trying to see if they...
Oh my god.
Oh!
Dad?
Ito yung kapatid niya! What? sabi nyo, mabibitin kayo. Mabibitin tayo lahat, guys. Okay lang yan. Sabi sa episode 3 day, tomorrow na para tuloy-tuloy, di ba? At least ngayon alam na natin. Ooh, may nag-negotiate pa doon. Bukas na para lahat tayo makakatulog na mahibing. At may pasok tayo lahat tomorrow. 3 hanggang 5. Last ep po, tomorrow. Busog pa ako. Ilan ang namatay? Sino ba namatay? Si Conrad, si Francine. Sino pa ba? Si Mariana. Sila lang? Sino pa ba? Ano akong maisip? Hanggang 2 a.m. tayo, ma! Kala ko hanggang 2 a.m. tayo. Parang hindi carry ng katawan natin today. Kasi pagod talaga yung katawan natin. Baka mauna na ako. Baka pag itinuloy ko tong episode 3, ganito na lang tayo maglaro. Ganun ba nangyari? Ala guys, ano nangyari? Ganun pala, no? Hindi. Pero may oras pa tayo tomorrow. Marami tayo oras, guys. May bukas pa. Kailangan natin ng well-rested sleep. Yes. Good night, guys! Thank you! 7 ka mag-umpisa, ma. Wow! Hindi na tayo magdi-dinner, guys. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Wow, umabot pa tayo ng 100k. Grabe, guys. Pinahabol nyo pa talaga. GG's. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Have a good night's sleep. All of you. Sana, maka at least 5 hours sleep tayong lahat. Thank you, guys. True, bukas na para hindi ba tapos agad. Baka magulat na naman yung iba. Hala, season 4 na agad. Gabi ba? Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.